Hello YouTube, after thanking my first 110 subscribers, I'm going to do a short review on another item I've got here. It's a budget laptop, a Lenovo Ideapad 100 15 IBD model. It's a 2015 model, so you can get this quite good price. So let's look at the specs here on the side. Now it says here that it has a CPU for Intel i3 5005, 2 gigahertz. RAM it's 4 gigabytes. Hard disk of 500 gigabytes. Has a DVD-R. 4-cell battery, 15.6-inch LED display, and the good thing, it also comes with Windows. Down here it says that its weight it's 278 kilograms and it's made in China. So let's try to open this thing up. Take this thing off here. Here. Okay, see here we have the power supply. Put this thing to the side. And take this thing out, and here it is. There's nothing more inside, you can see. Has the instructions here in various languages. It's a guarantee. It says it has the power cord, the computer, and the AC power adapter. So let's, I don't know if you can see this a lot better. Okay. It's not very heavy, not very light either. Has a texture surface up front, and on the back also a texture surface. Now the bad thing with this, as I can see up to this point, is I don't see that it has a removable battery, so it's not good for its battery life. It has this Windows logo here, Ideapad, blah blah blah, the same things. Here's some plastic legs here. The back ones are a bit higher than the front ones. And let's open this thing up. You can see that it all has already made fingerprints. I don't think it's that good. The TV screen, the LED screen is slim. Here's this thing. It's not the keyboard. That seems good. It's not a texture surface. It's Core i3. The mouse pad. Here it says HD 1366x768, and it has USB 3 port, 1 key recovery. It says down here. Let's see the sockets on the side. Let's see. Now this is the Ethernet port, the HDMI port, USB 2, and the blue one must be the USB 3. This thing here probably is the power button, the headphone jack here, and on the other side, here we have the power buttons and the battery button, and this probably is the DVD-R. Yep, that's probably it. So let's turn this thing on. Now the cable is a bit short, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but it's only about 2 meters long, 6 feet. I've just turned this thing up. I put the on button, and let's see how much time it takes to open up. Okay, it says Lenovo. The first time I opened this thing up, it's a bit odd. It says now hi there, which is your home region. Let me just check these things quickly. Then it says here the legal stuff. We say I accept. Get connected. This is the Wi-Fi here. We put on the Wi-Fi, use Express settings, checking for updates. Now afterwards I'm going to shut it down and I'm going to turn this bug thing up because it's the first time I've opened it, so it took some time. I don't think it will take probably a minute to open. The PC that I have, that I use mostly, which is not a laptop, it has an AMD 8 core, and it opens up at around 12 seconds. So let's see what's going to be the difference between those two. So after a couple of minutes, after you do your basic settings and put your emails and stuff like that, the laptop opens up. It has Windows 10 installed, as we said before, and it also has here McAfee. It's antivirus. It has the Internet Explorer, probably Microsoft Edge, probably, and let's shut this thing down and restart it. Let's see how much time it takes. Okay, let's restart it anyway. Still restarting. And it says here it's 50 Lenovo. And that's probably, we're over a minute past now. It's a minute and 15 seconds before it has booted up, and probably that is because, as I said before, there are a lot of things going on in the background. The McAfee thing, this Lenovo manuals, this is the Lenovo photo editor, and over here we have, I don't know what this thing is. Well, we have the Bluetooth device, of some other the graphics, the OneDrive not signed in, it says. So there are a lot of things going on in the background, so that's why it takes over a minute for this thing to boot up. If you remove those things, I think it's going to probably be a lot faster to open up this laptop. You can hear. This is how it sounds. It's 100%, and the sound could be better, probably. Okay, let's check out this one here. Let's put it on full screen. Oh, it's on full screen here. The picture quality seems good. The overall sound is so and so. Let's put it in escape. Okay. And in general, stop this thing here and let's see Google. Now it depends on what, I should probably be using a mouse here. It also depends on what kind of connection you have. But in general it seems to be going, if you're gonna get this laptop for basic internet stuff and not for gaming and things like that that are very demanding. So in general it seems okay. I will probably have to remove these things down here, the Lenovo Solution Center, the Bluetooth device, and the McAfee's not set up, and probably I should get an antivirus and stuff like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. This was a short review. Please like and subscribe.